Giggle Box Kids! Welcome to the Magic Valley Water Park! Pixie and Giggle are here! Let's jump right into the adventure! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Here we are at the big blue wave. Splish and splash, so strong and brave. Waves roll up and waves roll down. The happiest faces in the whole wide town. Splash, splash, oh what fun! Playing in the golden sun. Up we climb so high and steep. Down we go into the deep. A spiral twisty turny slide. Pixie and Giggle side by side. Down we slide so fast, wishing this fun would always last. Gentle water flows along, humming a sweet summer song. Drifting slow, nice and cool, floating in the magic pool. Side by side on the racer mat. Ready, set, go, just like that. Zooming down a twin blue track. Who will win? There and back. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3. Racing down with speed and glee. Look at this, a water fort. The best place for every sport. Water guns and bridges too. So much to see for me and you. Climb the stairs and slide away, having such a happy day. Look up high, what do you see? A giant bucket full of glee. Water pouring, 1, 2, 3. Splashing over you and me. Splash, boom, all wet and grand. The happiest place in all the land. Hey friends, did you love this ride? Do you want more fun inside? To see Pixie and Giggle play every day, there's just one simple thing to say. Click the button, don't delay. Subscribe to Giggle Box Kids Magic today. Hit the bell and join our crew. We make magic just for you. Like and share, come along. Sing our happy, splashy song. What a wonderful water day. Time to wave and pack and play. Thank you for watching with a smile. We'll see you back here